Hey guys, Richard here. Let's go for a ride. Gotta run down to the store. Whew, what happened there? Oh, that's loosened up. Oh no. Hold on, we'll cut this out of the video. All right guys, Richard here. Yeah, I gotta run to the store. It is, what is it, 7 o'clock, 7:30, about 7:30 Saturday morning. Gotta go pick up a prescription. And so I thought, you know what, take you guys along. This will be my first ride in a little while. Actually, I did get out with my buddy Ron, just getting settled here. Sorry guys, still getting things powered up, ready to go. Did get out with my buddy Ron a couple of days ago. But we went out before I was ready. Oh my goodness, that about did me in. Yeah, I'm still not completely ready, but we're gonna do a lot of throttling today, so it won't be bad. Which I did a lot of throttling that day too. It was mostly throttle. But I should not have done it. And we just went over through our neighborhood and over here to another neighborhood close by and rode around for a little bit. It's the first time in a few weeks, really, I guess, that I kind of get out and did much of anything. It's a pretty doggy. Yeah, so I just got to take it easy and do a lot of throttling. Hopefully I got enough battery. You know, here we go, Magicycle strikes again. I get out and start moving, then I realize what my true battery level is. I guess I didn't charge this the other day, like I thought I did. I'm down to 45%, and I'm gonna mostly be throttling to get to and from the store. I'm at 43% already. It's still dropping. May not make it. I mean, the store is only like a mile away. We just won't go full bore and we'll see what happens. 42? Well, at this rate, I'll be dead about halfway before I even get there. Maybe it's gonna level off here in a second. I'm still pedaling, I'm just ghost pedaling. Just kind of give my legs a little exercise, but yeah, I can't do much yet. Doctor said, oh, Richard, it's gonna be about 2 weeks before I want you to do anything strenuous. 2 weeks? I feel great. Tell me I gotta wait 2 weeks. So I got out. Yeah, I did a little too much. Did myself in. So, 41%. We're still dropping. Oh my goodness. You guys survived the holiday just fine. 4th of July holiday. Celebrate our independence, our freedoms. Yeah. This Adventure and I, we don't do much. You know, several years ago, even before she started getting sick and having some problems, we pretty much just stopped going out and doing anything. We just like, no, why do we keep doing this, you know? There's 8 Mile. Hey, 8 Mile. You see him in my videos occasionally. He's out. Once or twice a day he's out walking, but he walks 8 miles at a time. And I see him all over the place. Hey, we're down to 38%. Richard might get a workout on the way home that he's not supposed to be getting. Even at 17, I'm not going full bore. 16. Oh boy, 38%. Come on, Magicycle, don't fail me. Yeah, anyway. So this is my first time on a bike in a long time, actually. The couple times that I have ventured out, even when I was having vertigo and I started getting a little bit better, I ventured out, but I was on a trike. And that's all I wanted to do. When I went with Ron a few days ago, did myself in. I was on a trike. So I like trikes. You know, I almost prefer them. Not for, you know, the safety aspect or my balance or anything like that. They're just so much fun. And oh my goodness, we got a garage full now. Well, some are in storage, but I don't know. We have like 8 right now or something. We got 2 on, well, we got 1 on the way. We'll be here in a few days. And then we'll have another big brand just announced. Well, didn't announce, but they reached out to me and said, hey, they're announcing a new one. And what is going on with this bike? My gears were sounding funny. I'm just here ghost pedaling. All of a sudden they're trying to change gears and I haven't done anything. Something's out of adjustment. Derailleur probably, but anyway, big brand reached out and said, hey, we're about to launch a trike and want to send you one. We're actually going to make a video talking about it before we have it, because they moved up their launch date by like over a month. So they're going to launch it. They want influencers to talk about it. Hello. Well, she looked like she was going to kill me. She just gave me that look. Yeah, so they want us talking about it because they're going to launch it before they actually have some samples sent out to some YouTube guys. So I should probably launch a video here in just 4 or 5 days, I believe. And then about a week after that or so, should get one. Looking forward to it. You guys will like it. If you're in the old trike thing, some of you don't like trikes. You're just here for the e-bikes or just here for the other content. That's okay. We got content for everyone. Okay, I'm down to 34%. We're almost at the store, so maybe I'll make it home. Maybe I'll make it. Yeah. So, I haven't talked about it a whole lot, but our county here is talking about changing the law. They haven't done it yet. Instituting an ordinance about e-bikes. Not too happy about that. Not too happy with that at all. Yeah. Kicking people off the sidewalks, put us in the bike lane, which in a lot of places that's what you have to do. I understand that. But here we haven't had to. But look, I just rode a mile and saw one person on the sidewalk. Typically you don't see any. So it's just a lot safer on the sidewalk here because we don't have pedestrians to deal with. If you have a lot of pedestrians on your sidewalks, that's a completely different story. Completely different. I understand that. We don't. So sidewalks are like bike lanes, They're a little safer, keeps you away from the road a little bit better. Let's just stay in the road. Speaking of the road, we'll just stay in the road. Much traffic this morning. Yeah, so anyway, not too happy with that. That's going to be it, I guess. Getting ready to zip into the store here. Refill a prescription. So that's going to be it. So you guys stick around. I've got some interesting content coming out here soon, so be watching for that. If you're new here, subscribe. We will see you in another video real soon. Ride responsibly, ride safe.